Hello everyone, good afternoon. How are you feeling today? I hope you are all fit and fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also very glad to come here. And first of all, thank you my honorable judge and my honorable teacher for give this opportunity to say something about benefit of internet. This is Russell in front of you. I am just describing you about some important information about internet. Uh, uh, we are all know internet is the greatest invention in our world. Now we can every people know about the internet. First of all, when we want to communicate in our relatives or any other friends, then we use our social media website, and it is very important for everyone. Uh, there are a lot of social media websites available in our countries, such as Facebook, Twitter, and any other website. And when in case of medical treatment, sometimes we need anyone feels sick. This time we want to go to doctors for medical treatment. And if you came back before 5 years before, then this time you have to face a lot of problem. But right now you want to go to this place for treatment, then you easily book your appointment with connected with any doctor. And now describe some. I will give you some information about education system. When any student faces lot of problems, then lot of information available in website or any other site such as YouTube and any other site, and you can easily collect information about your study purpose. And online study is very important for every people. And when you want to collect any information about foreign universities, which people want to go to abroad for higher studies, this time is very helpful for you, because you can easily collect a lot of information from this website. And every university has a personal website for this information. You can collect it easily, this type of information. And now I give you some information about transportation system. If you back 5 or 10 years ago, then you have to face a lot of problem when you want to go your home, when you leave another place for study purpose or job purpose. This time you have to feel a lot of problem. And now in this at present, when you want to go anywhere, then you easily book any ticket, and this is the modern invention of internet. That's all for about internet. I think thank you everyone for listening me patiently. Thank you.